Have you ever wondered, why do some people seem to have naturally visible abs, while others spend years doing hundreds of crunches without seeing any results? Is it genetics? Is it luck? Or is there a secret that most people never discover? Every year, millions of people begin their fitness journey with the same goal: to build a six-pack. They download workout plans, watch endless YouTube videos, buy expensive supplements, and promise themselves that this time, things will be different. Yet only a small percentage stay committed long enough to see real results. Why? Because the biggest obstacle isn't a lack of motivation. It's a misunderstanding of how the human body actually changes. The truth is, a six-pack isn't built by finding the perfect exercise. It's built by developing the right habits. You won't build perfect abs in 14 days. No honest coach, no sports scientist, and no fitness expert can promise that. But 14 days can accomplish something just as important. They can change the direction of your life. 14 days can build discipline. 14 days can strengthen your body, and most importantly, they can prove that you're capable of far more than you ever imagined. Because every incredible physique, every athlete, every transformation you've ever admired started with a single decision. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Welcome to the 14-day six-pack challenge. But before you perform your first exercise, there's one fact you need to understand. Every human being already has abdominal muscles. Yes. Everyone. Your six-pack already exists. The real question isn't whether you have abs. The question is, can you see them? Imagine a beautiful marble sculpture covered by a thick blanket. The sculpture is already there. You simply can't see it. Your abs work the same way. Training strengthens the muscles underneath. Nutrition removes the layer hiding them. Without both, the transformation remains invisible. That's why doing 1,000 crunches every day won't magically flatten your stomach. Spot reduction doesn't exist. Your body decides where fat disappears. Not you. Visible abs require two things working together: strong abdominal muscles and a low enough body fat percentage to reveal them. Ignore either one, and progress slows dramatically. Now imagine two different people. The first spends hours searching for the perfect workout. Every week there's a new fitness influencer, a new challenge, a new supplement, a new shortcut. They're always learning, but rarely doing. The second person keeps things simple. They exercise consistently. Eat slightly better than yesterday. Drink more water. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Repeat. Day after day. Month after month. 6 months later. Who has the stronger body? Almost always. It's the second person. Because consistency beats perfection. Every single time. The first few days feel exciting. Your motivation is high. You're ready to change your life. But then reality arrives. Your muscles become sore. You feel tired after work. The excitement fades. This is the moment where most people quit. Not because the workouts became impossible, because discipline hasn't replaced motivation yet. Here's something professional athletes understand. Motivation is an emotion. Discipline is a system. Emotions come and go. Systems remain. The strongest people aren't the most motivated. They're simply the most consistent. And every workout teaches your body something new. Your core becomes stronger. Your posture improves. Your balance increases. You move more efficiently. A strong core doesn't just create visible abs. It protects your spine, supports your lower back, improves athletic performance, helps you run faster, lift heavier, and move with greater confidence. The mirror may not change immediately, but your body is changing every single day. Nutrition is where many transformations succeed or fail. You cannot out-train a poor diet. One unhealthy meal won't ruin your progress, just as one healthy meal won't transform your body overnight. What matters is what you do most of the time. Choose whole foods whenever possible. Eat enough protein. Drink plenty of water, sleep well. Repeat those choices consistently. Small improvements, made every day, become extraordinary over time. Then something remarkable happens. By the second week, working out no longer feels like a chore. It becomes part of your identity. You stop asking yourself, "Should I train today?" Because training becomes what you do. And that's the real transformation. Not building abs. Building habits. Because habits create lifestyles, and lifestyles create extraordinary bodies. There will be days when you compare yourself to someone else. Someone with better lighting, better genetics, years of experience. Don't compare your day 14 to someone else's year 10. Compare yourself only to the person you were yesterday. If you're stronger, healthier, or more disciplined, you're already winning. Many anime heroes inspire us because they never stop growing. Every setback becomes another lesson. Every challenge makes them stronger. Your journey is no different. You will miss workouts. You will have difficult days. Progress will sometimes feel invisible. Keep going, because success doesn't belong to the most talented. It belongs to the people who refuse to quit. When day 14 arrives, take one final look in the mirror. Maybe your abs aren't fully visible. That's okay. Ask yourself better questions. Are you stronger? Can you hold a plank longer? Has your posture improved? Do you have more confidence? If the answer is yes, then you've already transformed. Because the greatest change wasn't your body. It was your mindset. A six-pack isn't built in 14 days. It's built through hundreds of ordinary decisions. Choosing water instead of soda, walking instead of sitting, preparing healthier meals. Going to bed on time, showing up, even when nobody is watching. Those small choices become extraordinary results. One day, someone will compliment your physique. They'll call you lucky. They'll say you have good genetics, but you'll know the truth. It wasn't luck, it wasn't talent. It was consistency. The 14-day challenge was never about building perfect abs. It was about becoming the type of person who never breaks promises to themselves. Turn 14 days into 30. Turn 30 into 90. Turn 90 into a lifestyle. Because the strongest body you'll ever build is built. One decision, one habit, and one day at a time.